Normal cards.
Got a box of 06 SPX football, 18 packs. You want to be on the camera?
Out of 18 boxes.
See what he gets.
I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'll put him on the 18 pack or something. I don't like it.
You got to save your box topper for last. It's the gravy one.
You need to get his butt and take him over and visit.
Got base.
You need to make him eat tobacco and make
I know it.
No, that's what one of Chuck's friends, they made him eat tobacco and it made him sick.
So rookie,
for like 4 days.
Jimmy Williams.
You got Randy Moss or something?
Quarterback.
Just normal cards. Size of rookie.
You pull out a Tom Brady or autograph.
Would be nice.
It's the people hanging around with him.
That's right.
Get a Tom Brady, Peyton Manning. Pretty good to get.
This mom will let anybody pick him up and take him anywhere.
Are they both with Upper Deck?
Huh?
Are they both with Upper Deck?
Yeah. I don't think any of them have exclusive.
And I'm like,
75.
that doesn't go with it. You can take your kids, but I have to know what my child is. Who I leave you with is who she better be with
You
at
gotta
all
stay on
times.
top of these kids because they'll get out there, you know. But I'm gonna crack the whip on that smoking deal. Well, I told him there ain't gonna be no habit. Not for too long.
Try to date you out the window. I'm gonna tell you.
You open your packs as quick as I do.
That's it.
Years of experience.
I look for the expensive ones and then I just go right on. I go through later and look and see if I missed any numbered ones.
That's what I do.
I told you won't do this thing around me. I'm gonna tell you. That's it. Well, like I said,
Rookie jersey.
I may try to.
Lawrence Maroney.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
No, that one actually, I want to say it books at like 150 or so. Something like that. A little nice one right there.
They go undefeated, it'd be worth more.
Yeah, you need to buy that whole set I got over there, number 4 or 5.
Which one is it?
His whole name out of Hot Prospects.
Oh, he's 16 years old.
How come the box I opened, I got, what's his name, Jason Avent out? You on trade?
That's all I pull. That's all I pull.
Pointed out to him, say,
I bet I got 10 of his things at home just from 3 or 4 boxes.
Yep. Yeah, Maroney's one of the good ones to get. He hadn't played that well this year yet, but
Eli. Every time I open the box, I get Eli.
hey, it's better than getting Kerry Collins.
Yeah. I get the adopted son there.
I think they adopted Matt Liner from that new commercial they had.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they needed a lefty.
I didn't see that.
Rookie autograph? Rookie jersey autograph?
Yes, you get one a box. It's the same thing with the 07 as well, but they put a jersey or autograph every pack.
For like 3 days.
But what if they truly have a
DeMarco Ryans.
nicotine craving? You think the
I never heard of him.
He got Rookie of the Year defensive last year.
It works for some
Yeah.
people and it doesn't for some people like my friend.
He cheated AJ Hawk out of
He did
it.
it all the time.
Yeah, I'd say.
Casey couldn't take it. It didn't work.
I
at least
talked to
fighting
the
for a
doctor. He told
playoff
me if I
spot.
put him on like a 5 or 6 level.
Who's that,
5 or 6
Maurice
packs or
Stovall?
something like that, he said it shouldn't take it.
He was supposed to be good this year, but
They've got to have something in their mouth.
You know, if he plays.
no, he plays. He's just
doing this stuff.
Yeah.
don't play that much. He's preseason. He was getting 100 yards a game, and then
Just nothing in him.
yeah, I don't know what happened to him.
He's got to keep wanting something,
right,
and then
yeah.
this way, if you
Well.
give him some gum, they get used to smacking on that all the time.
Got a Brett Favre refractor over there.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Many people,
No,
you know, and,
better than just normal Brett Favre.
shoot, you know,
Adrian Peters.
But this is, I like his setup.
Yeah, that'll be like a $50 card.
Chris Davis.
You got a ton of stuff in
We wanted to know when you were coming home.
So that'll be a good one.
Chelsea
Yeah.
was fun.
There's your other rookie.
Adam Jennings, never heard of him.
Hey, he's a receiver. That's weird. You got 2 Falcons ones in there.
Panthers fan, what do you expect?
Why wasn't this a 2001 box? You could have got at least Convict.
I've been
Yeah.
working at this
I don't want convict. I got too many of his things.
You want him out of the Topps Chrome.
I had to wait on for it.
Still?
I closed out with that.
He's
Oh,
$200.
this year's. Yeah, this year's.
How many bucks do you have left?
I closed at 5:30.
13, 14, something like that.
No,
Yeah.
I'm waiting on him like, it and then shut down. Let's go.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Now, that Maroney's a nice one.
That was the best pull.
Yeah.